forget.
What's up, guys? We're going to make a challenge video today, the water spitting thing. So yeah, let's get right to that. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go prank my friend Ange with some chili string.
Hey guys, so
Ange, I'm gonna tell you something.
Wait, hold on. Oh my God! Stop!
I got her.
On my tit.
I got her.
Can I do it to you?
Ange, I was supposed to.
All
Alright,
right,
we're getting to this video. I need to take a regular sip first. Alright, ready?
Sippy, sippy.
Alright, get in your mouth.
Oh. Get in your mouth, people. Feisty. I like pickles. He doesn't watch this chat. Don't. Down. In me.
My mouth.
Ew. That's fucking disgusting. Wait. So, ew.
Guys, add me on Snapchat, TWPAva21.
I'll put my Snapchat down below, okay?
Alright.
Because, yeah, it's complicated.
XO.
Are you out of someone?
You're in someone.
Dude, if I ever
Come on, let's get back to the damn video.
Daddy.
Ange, ready? Water bottle. Alright.
I'm thirsty. Hold on. Aquafina, bitches.
No, you don't.
What the fuck? Shots. Oh. Alright. Okay. I'm freaking.
Why do you have your phone? It's gonna get wet.
So is my. Beep. You gotta bark that word out, okay? You gotta be like beep. Beep. Beep.
Angelina, put your phone up there.
It's under my fat thigh. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna get wet now. Like my beep.
Yo, let's try to get one where we both spit at the same time.
Suck my left tit, bitch. Oh wait, this is my right. This is my right. Oh wait, this is my left tit. Daddy. Ew. Wait, ready? Oh. Okay, ready?
Come on, Ange, we have to do this.
Okay, ready? Oh, wait a minute. Pour water in your mouth. I want to make you laugh. Okay, ready? Daddy. You swallowed it! You do. Oh, now you spit.
I spit.
I swallow. That's fucked up.
Me and Marissa both went at the same time.
Alright, so this is the
end of the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Subscribe for more.
I'll put my Instagram
like
and
comment,
Snapchat on my
and-
bio. No! I'm going swimming. Just
your
kidding.
phone down.
I got murder.
Put your phone down a second.
No.
I'm. Oh.
Bye, Daddy.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and go follow our Instagram and Snapchat below.
Wait, I'ma take y'all way back for the old school, before the Maybach, or whoever came back.